Good morning, children. Continuing with differentiation, today we'll start with logarithmic differentiation. So what is the meaning of logarithmic differentiation? Logarithmic differentiation means taking log and then differentiate. And we will be using this logarithmic differentiation when we'll have to differentiate the product of two or more functions, or if you have a function which is which has the power in terms of another function. For example, if I have to differentiate sine x raised to power x. Now here x is again a variable, sine x. So take log both sides. It will become log y is equal to log sine x raised to power x. So log y is equal to x log sine x. I hope you know this property of log, that log m raised to power n is n log m. Now differentiate with respect to x both sides. So we'll have 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, here we'll be using product rule, x as it is, derivative of log sine x plus log sine x as it is into derivative of x. So I have x, derivative of log sine x is 1 by sine x, and again derivative of sine will be cos x, plus log sine x as it is into 1. Alright children, so we have 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to this one. So what is dy by dx is equal to? Dy by dx is equal to this y into x cot x plus log sin x. And by the end, you will substitute the value of this y in the result. Alright children, so this is the way. In this we can take log both sides and then we will differentiate the function. This is very helpful. This will simplify your differentiation. For example, we have, let me solve few questions of the exercise. Yes children. For example, I have y is equal to x raised to power sin x plus sine inverse root x. Always keep in mind that whenever you will have plus or minus sign between the two functions, you cannot take log directly. If you have a function in terms of product of two functions, or you can say quotient of two functions, you can take log both sides, but here you cannot take log both sides. So we'll write y as u plus v, where u is equal to x raised to power sin x and v is equal to sine inverse root x. We can take the derivative of this as it is. dv by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x into 1 by 2 root x. And here take log both sides. Log u is equal to sine x into log x. Now differentiate it with respect to x. It is 1 by u du by dx is equal to sin x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus log x as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Now what is du by dx is equal to? This is u into sin x by x plus log x cos x. And what is the value of u? This is x raised to power sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Alright children. So now we'll have, this is 1, this is 2. We have to find dy by dx. So what is dy by dx is equal to? Dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now substitute these values. Du by dx, I have this one. This is x raised to power sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x, and the value of dv by dx is this one, that is 1 upon 2 root x into root 1 minus x. Alright children, so you can write this from 1 and 2 we have got this result. Right, another question we have of this function, this differentiation is, whenever we'll have like a question of the type, sometimes we have a question y is equal to cos x raised to power log x plus log x raised to power x. So here also children will be taking log, but log will take separately because plus sign is there. So u is equal to cos x raised to power log x and v is equal to log x raised to power x. So now take log both sides. Log u is equal to log x log of cos x. Differentiate 1 by u du by dx is equal to, here we'll have to apply product rule. So log x as it is, derivative of log cos x is 1 by cos x into minus sin x plus log cos x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what is du by dx? This is u into this whole. U means cos x raised to power log x into log x minus tan x and plus log cos x by x. This is number 1. Now, when we will differentiate this function with respect to x, what do we have? We have, firstly we'll take log. Log v is equal to x log of log x. Now differentiate 1 by v dv by dx is equal to x as it is, derivative of log x will be 1 upon log x, again derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log of log x as it is, and the derivative of x will be 1. So what is dv by dx equal to? Dv by dx is equal to v. V means log x raised to power x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Let me number it as 2. We'll have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be du by dx plus dv by dx. So put, use, you can say, use 1 and 2 to find out the result. When you will substitute the value of this 1 and 2, you will get the result as dy by dx. Right children? Now again, see how easy the log will make the differentiation. You can see from the next question. Now if I have a question like y is equal to under root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Right? Now I have to differentiate this. So best way is take log both sides. It will become log y is equal to, first of all, this whole raised to power half log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here I have applied, what I have applied here? It is log m raised to power n is n log m, and log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Directly I have applied both the operations here. Now further, it is log x minus 3 plus log x square plus 4. What I have applied? When it is product with the log, you can write it in this form as of sum of the functions. Here I have used log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Now differentiate it. Log y is equal to this. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to half. Derivative of log x minus 3 is 1 upon x minus 3. And derivative of x minus 3 will be 1. So it is as it is. Now log x square plus 4 is 1 upon x square plus 4 into the derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x plus 0. Minus 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into the derivative of this whole will be derivative of x square is 2x, 3 2s are 6x plus 4x is 4 and that of 5 is 0. So what is dy by dx equal to? This is equal to y upon 2 into this whole. Two x minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here you can substitute the value of y and you will get the result. Hope it is clear to you all. We'll continue with the next topic next time. Stay safe and take care of yourself, children.